Crafting Vicky here with you, and I'm here for the craft with me for my journal, my rabbit journal, and I pulled out a bunch of different charms. My stepmom loves rabbits, but my dad is more of an owl, so I figured I would join both of them and make some paper clips with them. And I got this wonderful tool. You saw me open up Happy Mail with this, and I want to try it. So this is basically my big reason for doing this. And I watched a video and it's pretty amazing, and I did one already. And basically you just put it in there, whoops, and it helps if they're unique, like not joined in a chain, but even in a chain. I did it before. See? It just opens it up. So it works with, but I'm pretty sure that it would work better with just this one. Let's see. Oops! It would help if I didn't drop it. So you put it in there. In there. You're supposed to find the one that holds it the best, and just this one is too small, I think. Yeah, that's too small. No, actually it's perfect. See? And it opened it up right away. So this is a really cool tool. Maybe it would help if I use these pliers instead. And it would help if I knew which way my top is. And there we go. So it does make it very, very easy. So thank you so much, Stephanie, for thinking of me with this, because once you get the hang of it, this is pretty amazing. Wow. Like so much faster. This is crazy. And you can close it using the same thing. Wow. I need how many? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I'm on a roll. I'm having fun opening these up, because usually it's a lot harder for me to open them up. Wow. Okay, so that was pretty amazing. Now I'm gonna want to put some of these on here. So let's do this one. Let's say I'm gonna put here. Now let's see if I can close it up as easily as I opened it up, because now of course yeah, it's just as easy. Oh my god, check that out, guys. That is pretty amazing. So I'm going to use the big ones to put on just one of those, and then I'm going to do some banners with the smaller ones. So it doesn't really matter which way I do it, because eventually, wow, this is just too cool. So I'm hoping that you guys are seeing something. Okay, so hopefully you'll be able to see. Put that in. Put it in the little L. I'm going to put it in here. Whoa! And of course when I bring you closer, I mess it up. That's typical me. Okay, come on. They worked fine for all the other ones. Might be hard for the ones that I'm going to do on the banner because of the fact that it's there's going to be paper in the way. Because usually it would be very easy to bring back. So I've got these three, and then I'm going to make some banners with the other ones. But wow, that tool is amazing. So now I just have to be sure that I don't lose it, because that's typical of me, that I would lose it. Okay, so I've got some papers here, and of course I can't cut straight, so I didn't. Does that fit? Yep. I'm just going to make little banners, and then I need to make a little hole here because that's where the little ring is going to go. So this is a short video, guys. It's just to try out my new tool, and because I do need some paper clips in this book, and I don't want you guys to miss out on sections, because I really want her to have as much place to write. So in order to do that, all the beautiful pages that have stories, I can't, there's nothing to write on. So I'm thinking of using those paper clips to put a story, to put a piece of paper or something that she can write on. Okay, so that's this one we'll do this way. So see, I think with the ring it would be a bit harder for this, but just the opening of it is awesome. So here it is. Oh my god, I hope I was in frame. I'm so bad at this. And so I'm using all the little leftover pieces because I don't like to waste, as you know. So they're not all going to be the same size, and they're kind of whimsical. That's the fun of this. And I'm going to do it on the other side. I brought you down so much that I'm forgetting that you might not be able to see. Like that. And then just gonna put the little rabbit on. And do like this. So here it is. Here's my little rabbit. So I'll bring you up a bit because I've got a feeling that I'm not in frame most of the time. Okay, so I want to use this one. It's pretty as well, and I know I've got a lot of pinks in my album. Do this and like that. Like I said, it's super easy. Whoops, I don't want to use one that I already did. I'm going to use that way. I try to change them up so that they don't all clip on the same side. Like some clip that way and some clip this way, just so that it's not boring. I'm almost out of this tape. I'm gonna have to go to my stash and get another one of them. I'm almost finished. I think this is the 1/4 inch. I really love that one. That one and the 1/8 of an inch. Actually, no, is it 1/2 of an inch? 1/2 an inch, I think. Yeah, 1/2 inch, and the other one is a 1/4. Those are my two favorite size of Soupon tape. Score tape. You can find them on my Etsy favorite list if you're interested. So here we go. So here, and put that here. And here we go. Isn't that adorable? I love it. I think she's gonna love it too. I'm going to be stuck with all those tiny little pieces, so I'm throwing them away before I decide that I want to keep them. There's a subby that, well, I think she's a subby, that mentioned that she's downsizing and that she needs to throw stuff away, but that she wouldn't throw away handmade cards, and I totally agree on that. But yeah, as you get older, you have to think. I don't want to think about that yet because my kids are still at home and I haven't retired yet. But eventually, I know that I'm gonna have to think about, you know, not having so much stuff. But in the meantime, I'm just having fun. I can always do some destash at one point, or if I pass, some people are gonna have a hell of a good time purchasing stuff for my husband because he's got no clue what everything is worth. So yeah, if you're in the Montreal area and I pass, you might want to check out the yard sale at my place. I know my daughter would be interested in some stuff, but not as much. And here it is. So that was quite fun, and I got a lot of those done, which is cool because I needed them. And I got to play with my new tool, which is even more cool because I tend to not use this stuff. If I don't use it right away, I have trouble using it later. So I'm really happy that I did. I hope I've inspired you. I hope you liked seeing these and that you will do your own. And I'm looking forward to reading your comments. Bye everyone.